Girls, they will run the world. Girls, they will run the world. My mother said, be independent, and by that she meant I should be able to make my own way in the world, even if I met Prince Charming. Although she died when I was 17, she influenced my approach to life. I graduated from law school in 1959. There were no anti-discrimination laws, and employers were upfront that they did not want a woman, and even if they would risk taking a chance on a woman, they surely would not take a chance on a mother with a 4-year-old child. My object, and the object of the women in my class, was to get a job, and that was no mean feat. Judges understood by that time that racial discrimination was odious, but they thought that laws discriminating against women were for the women's own protection. So my job was to let the court see that these classifications more often put women not on a pedestal, but in a cage. A man on the train was reading the New York Post. He held it up, and I could see the banner headline, Supreme Court Outlaws Sex Discrimination. I was exhilarated, and it was a great beginning. President Clinton called me late one Sunday evening and said, "Ruth, I have chosen you as my nominee for the court." I was on cloud nine. Being part of an institution that's respected all over the world. It's the hardest and the best job I've ever had. And Marty and I were married for 56 years. We met when I was 17 and he was 18 at Cornell University. He was the only boy I knew who cared that I had a brain. I think it's essential if women are to have a truly equal chance. Men must care about their home, their children, as much as women do. I hope people will think of me as a good judge who tried with whatever ability I have to interpret the law wisely and to keep it in tune with the people that law exists or should exist to serve.